So today is the day, it's finally arrived. We completed this challenge in July 2022 and we are now April 2023. So yeah, let's see what's in the box. Oh, can't wait. Don't even know where it's come from. Embargoed details. Let's see. Oh, bit more tape. Always more tape. Want to mess around with these things. Ooh. Not one, but two. Oh, that is so good. And we got a box. Oh, 2 boxes in a box. Put that in here. So much packaging. But it's worth it. It's so worth it. There we go. 2 of the same. This is what the frames look like. And they're brand new. So we've got 2 of those. Because obviously we have 2 more world records. So then we take our certificates and we put them in the frames. Oh my god. So heaviest weight moved on a prowler sled in 12 hours by a team, and heaviest weight moved on a prowler sled in 24 hours by a team. Ah, so good. Just to make sure no one actually opens this before I do. Got one of those Amazon tear strips. Backfired. Here it is. Heaviest weight moved on a prowler sled in 24 hours by a team is 1,672,644.8 kilograms. Was achieved by Team Natural Power, that's us, in Exeter, Devon on July 2022. There you go. So we're going to have that one, it's going to go in here, and we'll have the 12-hour one in here. Let's see, how much did we do in 12 hours? Heaviest weight moved on a prowler sled in 12 hours by a team is 864,736.3 kilograms. Was achieved by Team Natural Power in Exeter, Devon on 30th of July 2022. There you go. So we have 2 more world records.